एंड माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो जीएस और जीके क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वो प्रपोन्ड द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ पैसिव रेजिस्टेंस, निष्क्रिय प्रतिरोध का सिद्धांत किसने प्रतिपादित किया था? तो अरविंद घोष ने किया था। वो वाज द बिल्ट ऑफ द विजय स्तंभ टावर ऑफ विक्ट्री ऑफ द चित्तौड़गढ़ में विजय स्तंभ का निर्माण किसने किया था? तो राणा कुंभा ने किया था। विच ऑफ द ह्यूमन डिसीज इज कंट्रोल बाय हेरिडिटी? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ह्यूमन डिसीज इज कंट्रोल बाय हेरिडिटी? तो हीमोफीलिया। हाउ मैनी कंट्री आर द मेंबर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? हाउ मैनी country are the member of United Nation Organization? 193. Which of the following is the smallest country in the world in term of area? तो क्या है ये? वेटिकन सिटी। वो वेयर द फर्स्ट रूलर टू इशू गोल्ड कॉइन इन इंडिया? ऐसा फर्स्ट रूलर कौन था? फर्स्ट रूलर जो गोल्ड कॉइन कहता था, इंडो ग्रीक ने। Which of the following year is referred to as a great divine in Indian demography? 1921. In which of the following sector maximum workforce is engaged in India? Primary sector. On which of the following principle does optical fiber work? Total internal refraction. The earliest evidence of the agricultural Indian subcontinent come from Mehergarh, Pakistan. Who possible ruled during the Indus Valley Civilization? किसने सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के दौरान संभवतः शासन किया था? तो किया था मर्चेंट व्यापारी ने। What was the type of marriage? What was the type of marriage in the Vedic period in which in place of dowry there was the token bride price of cow and bull? वैदिक काल में शादी किस प्रकार की थी जिसमें दहेज के स्थान पर एक गाय, एक बैल की एक टोकरी दुल्हन की कीमत थी? तो अरसा। Who constructed the 84,000 stupa? Ashoka. Blue revolutionary related to fishing. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? J.V. Malwakar. Who is the author of the देवदास के लेखक कौन थे? तो शतरंद चंद्रा चट्टोपाध्याय। Who was the following wavelength is the photosynthesis? Blue and red. To the astronomer, outer space appear to black. The imaginary line parallel to the equator are called latitude. The longest river in the world is Nile. Who is the author of the book of Mein Kampf? तो Adolf Hitler. Malaria has been cured from a drug extracted from cinchona पेड़. Which of the following states share the boundary with the maximum number of states? Uttar Pradesh. The southernmost end of the Union of the India lie Andaman Nicobar. The salary and allowance of the governor are changed the consolidate fund of the state. What make the judiciary of the garden of the construction? Judicial review. What make the judiciary of the guardian of the constitution? Judiciary review. What are the panchayat in the 3-tier पंचायती राज सिस्टम? ग्राम पंचायत, जनपद पंचायत, जिला पंचायत परिषद. All of the above. Rihand river is tributary of Son. The Bhakra dam is constructed on the river Satluj. The source of the sun एनर्जी इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ, सूर्य की ऊर्जा का स्रोत न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन, सूर्य की ऊर्जा का स्रोत न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन। स्टडी ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेरिक फिनोमिना इज कॉल्ड, स्टडी ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेरिक फिनोमिना इज कॉल्ड मेट्रोलॉजी। What is the function of the keyboard in the computer? Input. An economic system combining private and state enterprises is called mixed economy. When there is only one buyer and one seller of the product is called, in this situation is called bilateral monopoly. The Rolapada Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Andhra Pradesh. The World Poultry Day is observed on which state? March 2021. Kotin was dam located in which place? Uttarakhand. Which is fundamental right in the Indian Constitution prevent trafficking, forced labor and children working under 14-year age? Right against exploration, right against exploration. A dash thread is actual stronger than steel wire.
नियॉन है
सो जा